Hello everyone, welcome back to Just Create. Thank you for so much for tuning in. Today, there's one thing on the agenda, and it's power. Now, I've got all this cleared just because this is where the main base is going. As you can see, I've already got lava filled in. It's not dug down, that's what we're doing today. See, I've got this cleared out, ready to put the drills in. But yeah, I've got just this basic little pump, always pumping water in. This will be changed eventually. But I've got my tank set up. I just need to craft some steam engines and get digging. So, grab out our crafting table. It's going to stay up here. And we're going to put together our 9 steam engines. 1, 2, 3. I think I'm going to do 3 here. Actually, we'll just put all 9 here for right now. Oh, I need some more shafts. There we go. Alright. And so now, I don't have a belt on me, but I'll make sure, actually, I should probably put these on this side. That way it's just easier to access in the future. But I have our 100 drills, and I'm just going to place these here. Yeah, there's not really much else to do in this, but we're going to get it all glued together and then all figured out from there. But basically the plan is to just have this dig down to bedrock, because if I go into free cam, there's nothing below this whatsoever, so I don't really have a great risk of digging into any caves or anything. Oops. I need new tools. I just realized my tools are on like about 1 durability right now, so that's not good. But oh, I need to craft a trapdoor. Of course, I don't have any wood on me, but I just blocked off my only way out of here. That's not a good idea either. Wait, let me just grab this out. So I can run here like this, and go like that, and then see these stay in the glue. That way it's easier to do. So see, all that's glued together now. So all I need to do is put a rope pulley. Nope, that's the wrong way. Alright. Well, I'm just going to go ahead. We're going to run down here and craft up some new tools. Alrighty now. We're going to run up here. I'm going to figure out how to get this rope pulley placed in. That way we can do this better. But, excuse me. I think I'm just going to use water wheels. 2, 3. Actually, wait, I'm doing this wrong. Let's just dig this way. Alright. Ooh, is this digging? No, okay, good. We need to gear ratio that. I'll probably also need a gearbox, so. And it's 100 drills. I don't think that takes very much to power, but I could be mistaken. What? No. Okay, that's max, I guess. So then let's bring you. I really need you to be here. We'll put it here. Oh wait, no, you just need to be like that. That should be good. Now, which way are you spinning? You spinning the wrong way, yeah. I thought would happen. So let's just go ahead, craft up a gearbox because I'm lazy and I don't want to do anything else. Boom. Oh yeah, that should move fast enough now. Should do fine like that. So I'm gonna go ahead down here. Ow. And we're gonna run back to the base and sleep, hopefully, and then let this do its thing and build up or dig down, and hopefully by the time we get back, we're at least, 20, 30 blocks down. So, and I may just make another steam engine eventually and tie it together that way. So, I'm gonna do that with you. Yeah. I put a crafting table down here. Didn't pick it up. Okay. That's getting down there. Yep. No, but I think it's really funny to just see all like the different mines that I've done. This one up here was for iron. Yeah, I don't know what I was doing digging up here. But eventually, whoa. Where did I go? Oh, it's not loaded in. Okay. But yeah, the whole big one that's way over here. I think that's so funny. From like I was rewatching the video because I clicked on it on accident, and of like me doing the first one. Dude, that's close to my base actually. I ran all the way over there and then dug all the way to here. That's kind of funny actually, that I was right next to that. Whenever I could have just dug right here. But yeah, this is looking pretty good. It's only about 20 blocks deep though, so we'll just keep letting that dig down while I figure out what exactly to do. Actually, so while that's finishing up, I just realized I need a hose pulley in order to determine if it's truly an infinite source or not. So we're gonna get that crafted up. That's a lot of copper, I think. Hose. Oh, it's a dried kelp block, copper sheet, and a copper casing. That's not too bad. You guys will do. And you. Eventually, I need to run back over and grab some more kelp to make a kelp farm. But I want to make like a really cool kelp farm, I don't want to make something kind of lame. I want to make something that'll actually look cool. So I gotta figure out how to do that. This isn't overflowing yet. Good. Just chuck you back in there. Works out for the best. Go. And ooh, I do need to make a precision mechanism, because what I want to do is I want to use a mechanical arm. So I need 5 cogs, 5 large cogs, and 5 iron nuggets. Do I have the iron nuggets in here? I do. I've already got the cogs. Oh, did that a bit wrong. Okay, let's see. Is it onto a golden sheet? Yeah. So my dog is freaking out right now. Okay, so what is it? Okay, so it's small cog, large cog, iron nugget. Yes! It actually worked. Now I need to look up what it takes to make a mechanical arm. 3 brass sheets and a brass casing. Got it. So I need... I don't know where my brass is. I think it might be... It's probably in that chest up on the hill. Or not up on the hill. Next to the villager trading hall. These little chests. Okay, this is getting pressed, and then the other one's getting turned into a brass casing. So, okay, I was making sure I did that right. Okay, there we go. Precision mechanism. Turn to mechanical arm. Boom. So, this should be done now. So I should be able to bring it up and then fill all those holes in and move the drills up to here. So let's see. Is it done? Looks pretty done to me. Yeah, it's definitely done. Yep. And it'll get all those too, so. Which I think the lava might fall down before. Yep. Here comes the lava. We are going to sorry, I lost my train of thought. It's kind of satisfying. It's collecting all these. Alright, we gotta get this hose pulley set up. And, I probably want you, like, here. So that's where I'm gonna have you at. Can I place you the other way? Okay, no, let's see if I wanna come this way. Yep, there we go. And I don't have any pipes or anything on me. And I don't have a hand crank either. But I can craft one, I think. Or is it cobblestone? No, I can. Finally. And it's still not telling me bottomless. So we're gonna run and get some pipes and things. This isn't gonna be fully functional yet, but I think I have the return system figured out. It's just gonna be super simple. I'm just gonna have the mechanical arm going into a, yeah, you'll see here in a second. So let's just like gear ratio U one time. Does this not work? Where'd that pump go? There it is. Oh, it's a bottomless supply, yeah. Oh, all those are up and running. That's good. I'm just gonna break all this because it was extremely temporary, obviously. And I'm gonna place a different one over here. Okay. Let's go. This, yep. And then we'll just place this here. Okay, all this needs to be picked up now. Ooh, I forgot about that. Well, it doesn't matter that it's not pumping, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna make another infinite source over here because I don't know if that one's gonna stick around. I'm just actually gonna fill it up real quick. let's make a, okay. Can you make a 4 or 3 by 2 infinite? Like, no matter where I grab from is infinite? You can't, okay. That's what we need to do here then. Because I want to have you coming up, like this preferably. Okay. I'm really worried about those corners. Yep, okay. Now turn those, put these into here. And we can do large. Actually, it might be better to have this facing up. Let's put it like this. Small. Actually, we might just want to bring this over first a little bit. To like this block here. Okay, we can clear a 3 by 3 here, yeah. And then block all this up. Oop. Okay. And then we want to go small. Or just go ahead and break these because, yeah. I don't have any casings on me. Of course. There's a tree. We're going to make it all into casings. Because, yeah, why not? That creeper was about to explode on me. Guarantee you he was coming up there to me. Oh, there's one down here. Okay. Alrighty. Let's just kill this guy. That way he doesn't come up here and blow me up. Alright. We're getting somewhere. Just go ahead and casing you two. Let's just... Yep, that should work. That's spinning much faster. 256, yep. Oh, baby. 96,000 SU. Oh, and it's still going. It's a level 6, okay. And honestly, I could definitely make more fluid tanks if I needed them. Which I might, like in the future, but that's 98,000 SU. That is way more than I'll probably ever need. So, yeah. We have power, which is a great start to the mega base. There will definitely be more than just one of these sitting around. This will definitely stem out to probably here. I could have another one here or something, and this will all be like this. Around this will be dug out, like this is, and this will be staying, because this needed to be up here, so I knew that it was gonna be infinite lava. But now we're just gonna dig around that, and I'm gonna put like a pyramid, maybe. Don't ever quote me on this. This is just like me theorizing. Maybe like a pyramid or like a little mountain coming up over this. That way we're generating enough power. So we're still generating at 98,000. So, more than enough. So, yeah. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.